Thomas the Tank Engine. Two Scottish engines arrived from Scotland. Their names was Donald 9 and Douglas 10. Sir Topham hadn't thought of them for good purpose, but he had to make some arrangements of which one to keep and which one to stay. There was a brake van in the yard that had been taking a dislike to Douglas. Things always went wrong when he had to take it and he was playing. Donald, his twin, was angry. "You gotta muckle nuisance," he said. "It's to leave you behind every one thing." "You can't," said the brake man. "I'm essential." "Buddy, well, no part of us in that, will ye? Spike doggy, will ye? Take that." "Ow! Oh!" cried the brake man. "There's plenty more should you misbehave." The brake van decided to feel better after that. One day, however, Donald had an accident. He was backing up, and the rails were slippery. "Oi!" he cried. Suddenly, he banged the buffers and toppled his tender off into the house. "Great," said the workman. "Now we're going to have to repair it." Sir Topham Hatt walked up. "Donald, this is quite unexperienced. Now James will have to do your work. We won't like that a bit." "He's right, you know," said Emily. Sir Topham Hatt was right. James grumbled. "I know where he," said Douglas. "I have an engine who had tar wagons." "Shut up," said James. "It's not funny." He didn't like to be reminded. Emily had a problem with tar tankers once. Well, Sally was your lassie, eh?" James ignored. "James is cross," snickered the spiteful brake van. "We'll pay him out still." Hold back!" yelled the car. James grew tired. Douglas had to keep up with him. James reached the next station, Elsbridge. "Help me up the hill, please," he asked. "We'll show these trucks what for," he said. And he backed down to collect train. Two scuttled up. They soon came to the hill. Hold back! Yelled the troublesome truck. Spiteful brake van and the freight cars hold back, but the ugliest pulled. James couldn't have much speed. "Go steady," warned the car. "The van's braking." But it was too late. Cried the van. It was all for nothing now. Thomas had a right to help clear the mess. As for Donald, he was in the study. "I don't know about this," Sir Thomas, "but it must be more confusion and delay." Sir Donald was brave," said Thomas. "He helped in the yard." "Two would have been enough," said Sir Thomas. "I really don't know." He pondered. He would have to figure out which one to send away, but that was another story. Thomas the Tank Engine.